Spoken English practice. ମୁଁ ଏତେ ପାଗଳ ନୁହେଁ. I am not such a mad. I am not such a mad. ତାକୁ ଘରେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅ. Drop her home. Drop her home. ମୁଁ ସେ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଯାଉ ନାହିଁ. I am not going via that way. I am not going via that way. କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସିରେ ଚାଲିଯିବି. No problem, I will take taxi. No problem, I will take taxi. ଦିନକୁ ଦିନ ଗରମ ବଢ଼ି ବଢ଼ି ଚାଲିଛି. It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. ତମେ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛ? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? ମୋତେ 16 ବର୍ଷ ହୋଇଗଲାଣି. I have turned 16. I have turned 16. ମୋତେ ଲମ୍ବା ଚଉଡ଼ା କଥା ପସନ୍ଦ ନୁହେଁ. I don't like tall talks. I don't like tall talks. ତମ ସାଙ୍ଗ ତ ନିଜେ ଥିଲା. It was your friend. It was your friend. ତମେ ବହୁତ ଚାଲୁ. You are so cunning. You are so cunning. ଅମିତାଭ ବଚ୍ଚନ ଏବେ ବି ଯବାନ ଅଛନ୍ତି. ଅମିତାଭ ବଚ୍ଚନ is still young at heart. ଅମିତାଭ ବଚ୍ଚନ is still young at heart. ତମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ. You first. You first. ତମ ପରେ. After you. After you. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଯେମିତି ତୁମ ଇଚ୍ଛା. All right, as you wish. All right, as you wish. ତମେ କହିବା ପାଇଁ କିଛି ବି ଛାଡ଼ି ନାହ. You left nothing to say. You left nothing to say. ସତ କହୁଛି. I am speaking the truth. I am speaking the truth. ମୋତେ ଏମିତି ଦେଖନି. Don't look at me this way. Don't look at me this way. ପୁରା ପିଅନି. Don't drink it up. Don't drink it up. ହଁ ରେ ହଁ ଭର ନାହିଁ. ବା ଆମେ ଯେମିତି କହିଥାଉ ହଁ ରେ ହଁ ମିଶାଅ ନାହିଁ. Don't be a yes man. Don't be a yes man. ସେ ମୋର ଗୋଟିଏ ବୋଲି ଭାଇ. He is my only brother. He is my only brother. 10ଟା ବାଜିଗଲା, ଜଲ୍ଦି କର. It's 10 o'clock, hurry up. It's 10 o'clock, hurry up. ବହୁତ ଦୂରକୁ ଯାଅ ନାହିଁ. Don't go so far. Don't go so far. ଏବେ ମୁହଁ ଲଟକାଅ ନାହିଁ. Don't have a long face now. Don't have a long face now. ଠିକ୍ କହିଛ ତୁମେ. You are right. You are right. କେତେ କାନ୍ଦିବ? How much will you cry? How much will you cry? ତମେ ଗଧ ଅଟ. You are a duffer. You are a duffer. ସେ ଏହାକୁ କରିପାରିବନି. She can't do it. She can't do it. ତମେ ପାଗଳ ହୁଅ ନାହିଁ. You don't be silly. You don't be silly. ବହୁତ ହେଇଗଲା. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. ଏବେ ଆଉ ତା ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହୁଅ ନାହିଁ. Now don't talk about her. Now don't talk about her.